Welcome to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am gonna show you how to mirror your Android screen to PC using Vysor. Vysor is a software that allows mirroring and control of your Android device on a desktop computer. Let me download the Vysor. Click on download. The link we mentioned in this video is available in the description. Vysor is compatible with all operating system. I am using Windows. I am going to download for my Windows. Click on Windows and once you have download, then install it on your operating system. Now it's going to install. Once it's installed, then it's time to install the Vysor on your Android device. How to download? First of all you have to go to the Play Store on your mobile, search Vysor, install it on your Android. Then open. Once you have opened, click on next. Then it's time to enable the USB debugging. If you don't know how to enable the USB debugging, I already make a video. The video is available in the description. If you want to watch, so you can watch. Now I have enabled the USB debugging already. Now connect the cable on your computer and your Android device. So I'm going to connect. Then now the cable is connected and you can see. Click on view. Vysor puts me on Android screen. Now you can control your Android with your mouse and keyboard. You can use application, play game or any other things. Just you can use on your mobile. It's also you can use with your mouse and keyboard. Now I'm going to play a game. How we can play a game on Android device on mirroring. Once mirror it. It's all about Android screen mirroring on PC using Vysor. Then that's all. If you have any question or any suggestion, feel free ask. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and please check the bell icon